scooters have quietly transformed into one of the most efficient ways to conquer city traffic. And the 125 cubic centimetre class leads the charge. Far from the retro charm of old Vespers or the bulky expense of maxi scooters, today's 125cc models are lightweight, automatic, and incredibly accessible. Most feature twist-and-go transmissions, generous under-seat storage, some weather shielding, and prices that start around £1,000. Many are A1 license-friendly, meaning a basic CBT is all you need to hit the road. Some go electric, offering near-zero running costs and ULEZ compliance, while others include modern features like Bluetooth and stop-start tech. A few even push boundaries with three-wheeled stability or eye-catching designs, proving that practicality and personality can absolutely ride together. In today's video, we'll talk about the top 9 best 125cc scooters under £6,000. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Number 9. Vesper GTS125, £5,700. When it comes to timeless style on two wheels, nothing rivals a Vesper. Born in post-war Italy in 1946, the Vesper helped define the scooter as we know it: compact, affordable, and irresistibly stylish. Today, that legacy lives on in the Vesper GTS125, a modern reinterpretation of the original icon, complete with vintage-inspired design and contemporary engineering. It's powered by a Euro 5 Plus compliant 124 cubic centimetre single-cylinder engine producing 14 brake horsepower and 12 foot-pounds of torque, paired with Piaggio's advanced I-Get system and stop-start technology. At 148 kilograms with a 790mm seat height, it balances comfort and control, ideal for navigating city streets with flair. Handling is smooth, the ride is refined, and the build quality matches its premium price tag of £5,700. While it's best suited for short urban hops rather than long-distance travel, its charm, elegance, and effortless ride appeal to style-conscious commuters. Though expensive and a potential theft target, the GTS remains the definitive fashion statement in the scooter world. Number 8. Yamaha XMaxx 125, £5,500. For those wanting more than just basic city transport, the Yamaha XMaxx 125 delivers a premium scooter experience with sporty flair. Since its debut in 2014, it has evolved into one of the most refined 125 cubic centimetre scooters available, offering a balance of style, performance, and everyday practicality. Equipped with a Euro 5 compliant, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected 125 cubic centimetre single-cylinder engine producing 12 brake horsepower and 8.3 foot-pounds of torque, it weighs 167 kilograms and sits at an 800mm seat height, giving it real road presence and a substantial confident ride. Key features include LED lighting, a 2-position screen, keyless ignition, LCD dash, and even basic traction control. Yamaha also offers a higher-spec TechMax version at £6,200 with satin paint, upgraded seat, machined grips, and aluminum footrests. At £5,500, the standard XMaxx isn't the cheapest option and feels bulkier than some rivals, but its refined finish, sporty handling, and well-rounded performance make it a top-tier choice for urban commuters who want more than just convenience. Number 7. Yamaha Trricity 125, £4,450. If you're after commuter confidence with a twist, Yamaha's Trricity 125 brings something truly unique to the table. 3 wheels. Built for urban riders who want extra stability without stepping up to a bulky maxi scooter, the Trricity uses 2 front wheels that lean in unison, offering enhanced grip and reassurance in corners and tricky conditions. At its core is a 125 cubic centimetre single-cylinder engine producing 12 brake horsepower and 8.3 foot-pounds of torque, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Weighing 168 kilograms with a seat height of 785 millimeters, it feels planted yet manageable, especially at low speeds. While it's not the quickest and carries a higher price tag than a typical two-wheeler at £4,450, the trade-off is a composed, confident ride ideal for short urban journeys. With a sleek, premium feel and Yamaha's hallmark quality, the Trricity excels at traffic weaving and short hops, though it's less suited to long-distance riding. For newer riders or city commuters, it's a smart, stable and standout choice. Number 6. Honda XMaxx 3,800 pounds. Few scooters manage to blend style, performance and practicality quite like the Honda XMaxx125. Since its 2010 debut, it has become Britain's best-selling powered two-wheeler, and for good reason. Its 125 cubic centimetre single-cylinder engine delivers 12 brake horsepower and 8.7 foot-pounds of torque, returning exceptional fuel efficiency, up to a claimed 134 miles per gallon. Weighing just 130 kilograms and with a low 764mm seat height, it's incredibly accessible and easy to maneuver in city traffic. Updated repeatedly over the years, including a full Euro 5 refresh for 2021 and further refinements for 2025, the PCX remains as versatile as ever. Priced at £3,800, it combines sporty styling, Honda's trademark reliability, and everyday practicality in a sleek, compact form. Though its styling may not turn heads, and the spec is fairly minimal, its well-rounded nature, comfort for two-up riding, and proven durability make it the go-to choice for commuters seeking dependable, enjoyable transport with low running costs. The XMaxx125 simply does it all and does it well. Number 5. Soo CPX 3,750 pounds. Electric commuting has a bold contender in the Soo CPX, a no-nonsense, big-wheeled scooter that's helped establish the brand as a UK leader in the EV two-wheeler space. With a 5 bhp hub-mounted motor delivering an impressive 34 foot-pounds of torque, it offers smooth, quiet acceleration ideal for city streets. Weighing 146 kilograms with a low 760mm seat height, it's easy to handle, even for new riders. The CPX can be equipped with one or two removable 2.7 kWh batteries, offering up to 80 miles of range in twin battery form, though that's best achieved at urban speeds. It's fitted with a tall windscreen for weather protection and offers zero emissions with ultra-low running costs. At £3,750, it's more expensive than some petrol rivals, and build quality feels a bit lightweight. But for eco-conscious urban commuters looking for affordability, practicality, and simplicity, the CPX is one of the most compelling electric options available today. Number 4. Yamaha NMX 125 £3,600. Yamaha's NMX 125 continues to challenge the class-leading PCX with a fresh 2025 update that blends practicality, technology, and refined performance. Powered by a 125 cubic centimetre single-cylinder engine, producing 12 brake horsepower and 8.2 foot-pounds of torque, it features liquid cooling, variable valve timing, and a smooth twist-and-go experience. At just 132 kilograms with a 770mm seat height, it's agile yet planted, perfect for urban commuting. The NMX stands out with its clear LCD dash, smartphone connectivity, under-seat storage, dual cubby holes, manually adjustable rear shocks, and modern touches like keyless ignition, traction control, and a stop-start system. While it's slightly basic in areas and limited to just 2 colour options, its affordability, refreshed styling, and added value make it a compelling alternative to Honda's PCX. For those wanting more, the the higher spec TechMax version adds extra refinement. All told, the NMX remains one of the most balanced and practical scooters in the 125cc category. Number 3. Suzuki Bergman Street 125EX, £3,200. The Suzuki Bergman 125EX redefines what a maxi scooter can be at a compact 125cc level, blending comfort, practicality, and efficiency into one surprisingly luxurious package. Powered by a new air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine delivering 8.5 brake horsepower and 7.4 foot-pounds of torque, it boasts an impressive fuel economy claim of up to 148 miles per gallon. Weighing 112 kilograms with a 780mm seat height, the Bergman 125EX offers easy handling despite its maxi scooter size. Its generous features include 21.5 litres of underseat storage, a rear carrier, LED lighting, smartphone charging, and start-stop technology. While it may lack flashy tech and its styling leans towards the conservative, its solid build quality, practicality, and excellent value make it a compelling choice for riders seeking a premium-feeling economical commuter with a touch of maxi scooter comfort. Number 2. Piaggio Liberty 125, £2,900. Big wheel scooters offer something their small-wheeled rivals often can't: confidence on the road. With larger wheels delivering greater stability, especially on rough urban streets, they've become the go-to choice for city commuters seeking comfort and control. Leading the pack is the Piaggio Liberty 125, a standout from the iconic Italian manufacturer that blends practicality, elegance, and value. Powered by a 124 cubic centimetre single-cylinder engine producing 10.9 brake horsepower and 8.1 foot-pounds of torque, the Liberty feels lively and agile, while its 790mm seat height offers an upright, relaxed riding position. A 16-inch front wheel and 14-inch rear with a wide 100-section tyre enhance grip and composure. Updated in 2021 with fresh styling and improved ergonomics, it also features a simple, functional dash with a speedometer, fuel gauge, digital clock, and warning lights. Priced at £2,900, the Liberty isn't the cheapest option and offers less storage than compact scooters, but its proven reliability, smooth handling, and Italian flair make it a smart, reassuring urban runabout. Number 1. Lex Moto OCR, £1,700. If you're 17, juggling the cost of fuel, insurance, and riding gear, finding a capable scooter that doesn't drain your wallet is everything. And that's exactly where the Lex Moto OCR steps in. As the most affordable petrol-powered 125cc scooter on sale in the UK, priced at just £1,700, it delivers surprisingly solid performance for the money. Powered by a Euro 5 Plus compliant, fuel-injected 125cc single-cylinder engine producing 8.6 brake horsepower and 6.9 pound-feet of torque, the OCR weighs only 105 kilograms and can comfortably hit around 55 miles per hour. It features combined braking with a front disc, underseat storage, and modern styling that feels more polished than its price suggests. While it doesn't rival premium Japanese models in refinement, handling, or long-term durability, and its dealer network and resale values are modest, it offers unbeatable value, especially with finance options under £30 a month. For everyday urban commuting, this is an accessible, no-frills machine that punches well above its weight in both cost and capability. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new upcoming videos of motorcycles. Thanks for watching.